Good morning, students. Last class we discussion about nutrients in plant. Yes, no, that lesson. That main subtopics are discussion. First one, modes of nutrients in plants and modes of nutrients in animals and other modes of nutrients in animals. Yes, no, there are classified 4 types. One is parasite and next saprotrophs and next symbiosis. Another one is insectivores. Now in this class we studied how nutrients are replenished in the soil. Replenish means first you understand that means fulfillment. Once something has been used, it becomes deficient. It needs to again supply that. That is called replenishing. Yes, usually you know already you learned that one. Plants absorb minerals and water from the soil. Yes, no? Usually, crops are absorbing lot of nitrogen and it's become what happened? Deficiency. How they replenish? You already know that. You have seen farmer using fertilizer and manure in the field. Why they use and why they spread in the field fertilizer and manure? Yes, no? Now you see fertilizer and manure. Replenishing the soil is different methods are adopted. First one is fertilizer and manure. You have seen farmers spread fertilizer in the field because fertilizer is a chemical rich in phosphorus, nitrogen and nutrients, some other chemicals they contain. Yes, no, that time when farmers using this fertilizer, that time crops will grow healthy. Next thing, manure. Manure you can prepare easy this method using a decomposition, the plant and animal waste. They prepare easy too. Yes, no? Next, another method is there. Replenishing soil. See, another one, growing leguminous plant. I give some example of leguminous plant. See, this one peas and pulses. Next beans. They are all example of leguminous plant. In this plant, how you already learned that one. Plants are obtained carbon dioxide only. Yes, no. It is not able to take that nitrogen directly because why? Nitrogen is present in our atmosphere in N2. Okay, because not able to take nitrogen directly. Next you see, how they take nitrogen? Farmers using that fertilizer because fertilizer is a chemical. Yes, no, it contains nitrogen nutrients. It is okay, but some farmers are growing leguminous plants. Leguminous plants produce some nitrogen. How they produce? How they take nitrogen? This plant absorb nitrogen by take the help of certain bacteria is there. That bacteria name is rhizobia. Rhizobia is a one bacteria. It is present in leguminous. This bacteria is present in root of leguminous plant. Leguminous plants have nodules. Nodules means this side, see. This one, crop plants. Yes, no example, beans. All plants have roots. Yes, no. These roots have a nodules. This side, rhizobia bacteria is present. This bacteria take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it to usable form. That nitrogen absorb plant. Yes, no. This when plants absorb nitrogen by the help of rhizobia bacteria, it is transferred to plant with another plant. This time, when rhizobia is produced, nitrogen to plant is helps to replenish in the soil. Rhizobia bacteria is not prepare their own food. Yes, these leguminous plants give to shelter and food to the rhizobia. Rhizobia is return give to plant water, nitrogen. It is a symbiosis relationship. Okay, how the leguminous plants replenish in the soil? By the help of rhizobia bacteria. Yes? Any doubts? I hope all of you understand. Now we discussion about exercise. Okay? See. First one. Why organism take food? Because get energy and repairs damaged body parts, and next it's maintenance the body functions. These are when you take food, it's help us. Next question, see. Distinguish between a parasite and saprotrophs. Parasite, that functions you write, you already studied, yes, no? Close over the other plants because obtain nutrients. Example also in discussion, Kaskata plant is the example of parasite. Next one, saprotrophs, you tell, take nutrients by the help of dead and decaying materials. Yes, no? This discussion you write. Next, how would you test the presence of starch in leaves? When you take some drop of iodine solution, okay, when contacts with leaves, that time its color will change, dark blue color appears. When dark blue color appears, that you understand or you confirm starch is present. Okay, understand? Next, give brief description of process of synthesis of food in green plants. You write that process by the help of photosynthesis. Yes, no? Plants are observing carbon dioxide from air and minerals and water from the soil. Yes, no? And chlorophyll helps capture that sunlight energy and it's converted to the food. Yes, no? These are all process you write. Next, show the help of sketch that plants are ultimate source of food. This diagram, the plants how they absorb carbon dioxide. That all process you write here. See, plants absorb sunlight energy, then carbon dioxide and oxygen, then chlorophyll are present in leaves. Dark pigment color is there, no? That is chlorophyll is present, and this chlorophyll capture energy and converted this energy is what? Synthesize energy means preparing a food, and water and minerals are present in soil. Yes, no? This diagram you will sketch. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, see. Green plants are called dash since they synthesize their own food. Which organism prepare their own food? That is the water autotrophs. Yes, sir. Next, the answer is autotrophs. Next, the food synthesized by plant is stored as the synthesized food. Where they stored? Starch. Yes, no? Answer is starch. Next one. In photosynthesis, solar energy is absorbed by the pigment called. The pigment, green color pigment, where they live? Where? That is answer chlorophyll. Green pigment, the leaves have a green pigment, that is called what? Chlorophyll. Answer is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll capture the sunlight energy. Yes, no? Answer is chlorophyll. Next, during photosynthesis, plant absorb carbon dioxide after releases oxygen. Answer is carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. Next one, name the following. First one, a parasitic plant with yellow, slender branches stem is. Which one? Parasite example. That yellow the nest is there, no? That which plant? Kaskata. Answer is Kaskata. Next one. A plant that is partially autotrophic. Give example. One autotrophic. What? Is prepare their own food. Which one? I already told, no? Pitcher plant. It's prepare their own food. Yes, no? Answer is pitcher plant. Then, the pores through which leaves exchange gases. The leaves have pores are tiny pores are present. That is called what? Stomata. Yes, sir. It's exchange gases. Next, pick the correct answer. First one, Kaskata is example of options also there. Autotrophs, parasite, saprotrophs, host. Kaskata is the example of parasite. Next, the plant which traps and feed on insect. That plants which plants feeds insects. That is pitcher plants. Pitcher plants prepare their own food. Yes, no? That is the example of insectivores. Answer is pitcher plant. Next, match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2. First one, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present in where? See, here options are also there. Rhizobium, no. Heterotrophs, no. Pitcher plant, no. There are any relation? Chlorophyll, no. Leaf is the exact answer. Next, nitrogen. Nitrogen means which one take that nitrogen? Certain bacteria is there, I don't know. Rhizobia. Rhizobium is take nitrogen and converted in usable form. Which one of that crops? Leguminous plants. Helps to leguminous plant. Next, Kaskata. Kaskata is the example of parasite. Parasite answer. Next, animals. Animals eat other animals. Yes, no. That is heterotrophs. It's not prepare their own food. That is heterotrophs answer. Next, insectors. Insects. Which one eat which plant? Pitcher plant. Pitcher plant is answer. Pitcher plant. Next one, make T if the statement is true and false it is statement is false. See first one, true or false. Carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. During the photosynthesis, carbon dioxide are released. Yeah? No, oxygen. Yes, no, because this statement is false. Next, plant which synthesis their food are called saprotrophs. Plant which synthesis their own food, that is saprotrophs are not. This is false. Which organism prepare their own food, that is autotrophs? No, because this statement is false. Next, third one. The product of synthesis is not a protein. Yes, when prepared food, that is protein. No, that is starch. Yes, no, because this statement is the product of photosynthesis is not protein. Here, not protein. Yes, because this is true. Because when photosynthesis is prepared, that is converted to starch. Here, not protein. Yes, true. Next one. Solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. Yes. You see, it is true. When photosynthesis is solar energy is converted to its release another energy in this form, because it is true. Next, choose the correct option from the following. First one, which part of plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air? Photosynthesis. Which parts observe photosynthesis in plant? See, root hair observe photosynthesis, that carbon dioxide? No. Stomata? Yes. Stomata is present in leaves. Yes, no. It is present in tiny pores particles. That is stomata answer. Leaf veins? No. Leaf veins only observe water and minerals, not observe solar energy and carbon dioxide. And petals? No. Answer is stomata. Next, choose the correct option from the following. Plant takes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through their. How the plants take carbon dioxide? Main part, leaves. Leaves absorb carbon dioxide. Answer is leaves. Next, why do farmers grow many fruits and vegetables? Why farmers growing fruits and vegetables? Their uses, you only write that uses. Inside the large greenhouses, what are the advantages of farmers? Farmers, what they get advantages? Farmers not only all get that oxygen, yes, no. Then vegetables also, and their replenishing nutrients on the soil. That all advantages you write your own. These all exercise you write neatly in your fair. Okay? Any doubts? No, any doubts? I hope all of you understand. Thank you.